Yeah, yeah, folks. Well, I got a call this morning about some kind of stats or watts or fats or whatever his name is. Talk about well, funny car and mix up. Oh,
People think I
what
doing
about
well just because I sing a few
they'll fool you
calypso.
car.
But that is my
And the
misery.
car lucky enough
Calypso
bet
don't make
they
money,
can't
but
back
most
out.
of them don't
That's
know
always. Car race for something.
that I have my axe to grind.
Me
Just
now
like
look for
every other
fame and say
man
race for
existing in
fun
poverty and this giant ghetto
race for
land.
fun.
But I intend to hang on.
Before I do this bill, you know,
Tell
it's supposed to be this
them
extreme.
roll dice. I ain't gonna
But
eat
after some
lice.
punk,
I ain't gonna grow old.
that
Sitting
immediately
in the
will chat
cold,
some
not
kind of
me.
fuck
No
with.
way, they
You
go
can
have
just
to
move on and
beat
find
me.
out and get to
They go have
professional
to eat me. All the heads go roll.
because money was never the problem in my life. Because I never begged for favor. And no, me never begged for favor. But back to you, fat stats song, where have you been? And who else ever want to live in the situation where they have been 16 and we 18?
Me Cooper must yam. Me woman
Chop
must
the open
yam.
soul.
Me pick me
You
must
can't
yam.
really run.
Nobody go run me.
And I get scared after you done dying or where now I want the car again because this and that. Because I'm embarrassed at how I
Life
can't
is
make
much for us to
some
choose.
great
Some
power
we win
that
and
could have
some
been
we
mine.
lose.
But
But
hey,
sometimes life is
thank
so
God it wasn't mine. Again, I get it for free. Again, I buy it.
When they need it.
But I build some
No,
big
most of them against
18
me.
bank
Take me, make big enemy. Simply because I am not.
because
They all
you
want
expect
me
to spend that kind of
and
money
with
to
the
the car when
political
you
views I
But I
can't
did.
agree. But tell
So
them
you
for
expect
me, no
results.
way. I ain't gonna eat
And the
lice.
results are
I ain't gonna grow
that if you're going to
old.
spend that
Sitting
kind of
in the
money
cold, not
on
me,
arm
I'll
out the
drink.
car, you cannot
They
go
gonna have
fast.
to beat me.
We
They
know
gonna
that.
have to eat me.
So
All the
all
heads
about
go
car and
roll.
put on a 200 shot and
Tell
I
them
trust and all
I
that.
say
Bring it on.
I was born in this land. I go
And they
down
make
in
all
this
that.
land. Nobody
Anybody
go
who
run
wants
me.
from
From where me
9-7
come from, nobody go
will
run
be in
me.
trouble.
Nobody go run me.
So
Nobody
who are
go
not
run
even
me.
11 something,
Nobody
won't
go
even
run
talk.
me. Me woman
Just
must yam.
those
Me
second
Cooper must yam.
keep out
Me
the big
woman
man
must
stuff.
yam. Me pick
The
me must yam.
turbocharged guys are making
Nobody
4
go
anything.
run me.
Shh,
Nobody go run me.
the outside. If you're making 6, shh, the outside still. Because still on his same class farm out class will be one. Right now, you know the big man. You know, do 110.9.
They give me the assurance to jump.
I have a second score. So I see it's a kick where we beat. For one thing, we now back down because if you fail, fail again because of the funny sport that's what you love. So who all out there talking and wish for something happen. When you dig a hole, dig two. We just want the car that one good and be the best man. So talkers keep talking because you know see the build is actually a competition. Yeah. Nah, happy. They say I just start. Because quick and right. Okay?
Nobody go run me. Nobody go run me.
Bill is coming up white, wet. Fabrications here. No, me no bother with that. We won't do the books. The books say get this, we get this. So, you just up to the tuner right now, forget my car over to the moon. And a curtain, so all you guys are on here. Going on 1 9 curtain. You can now remember I was saying I want to say, oh, I spend plenty of money. Oh, I spend none. And I get their parts for free. I beg them, they never had no value. So I just kind of go far. So me spend my money. And we want to see results. So to all you guys, good luck. And like we take it, good luck.